You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word. This is the plural, and yes, it comes from French. This is why the spelling kind of makes no sense, does it? I mean, it makes sense for a French guy like me, but French people. Anyhow, the British English pronunciation, vicissitudes. Vicissitudes, okay? So the T is pronounced like CH in British English. Vicissitudes. But in American English, the Americans in the United States usually pronounce it as vicissitudes. Vicissitudes, American English, vicissitudes with a T sound, versus vicissitudes, British English. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.